I'm going to show you how to implement your Solana wallet into your Next.js app using the app router. So I have this repo here. The link will be in my bio. It's a pretty much completed product of what you'll see. You could use this as a reference, and I recommend you go through it, play with it, and just expose yourself to it. So in the meantime, you could go ahead and clone the repo if you'd like. I'm going to show you how to start it from scratch. So go ahead and create your next application. Your page router will have like a bunch of default code in it. You could delete all that, and I just have mine set to main. So I'll go ahead and run this locally real quick. See what it looks like. Reload. Okay, so cool. It's just the main, nothing crazy. So you want to go ahead and start by installing all the dependencies that are located here in this repo. The first thing you want to do is create the wallet component. So I'll create a folder here, call it component, and call it wallet.tsx. So what I'm going to do is go back to that repo, and I'm going to copy the wallet component, all that code. And you could do the same. I think what's important is that you understand what's going on in there. Okay. So that'll do that. So first line's use client. I want the app to know that I want this to be a client component, not a server component. But this is all that you need to connect your wallet to the app. I just think the best way to learn is to kind of just get exposure to all this and then go from there. So here's your wallet component. You have this endpoint here variable. You could get this link from Helios. They provide a bunch of other tools to build on Solana. Your wallet variable, by default, it's gonna put in the Phantom wallet. It used to require for you to go ahead and put like, I think it was like Phantom Wallet Adapter. I think it does that by default now. So that's that. And the rest of your code, you have your connection provider, your wallet provider. You're gonna have all this wrap the children that go in it. So again, I just want you to have the exposure to what the wallet component is. Go through it, ask questions, and we'll go from there. After that component is completed, you want it to wrap the entire application. So you'll go to your layout. In your body tag here is where you will wrap your wallet component. Whoops. Okay. Could delete this and have the children there. Save. So error here. Don't forget to import it. Import wallet. Cool. Done. Let's kind of just see what that does to our local host. And it does absolutely nothing, which is what it should do. We'll just put up the console real quick, see if there's any errors. Nothing. Cool. So that's how you wrap your entire application with the wallet. So for the most part, people like to put their connect button in like a NavBar or a landing page. In this case, we'll just put it in a NavBar. So we'll go ahead and create a NavBar real quick. As for styling and stuff, I'm not gonna get too like detailed in it, but I do wanna try to help you understand what's going on. So this is your NavBar. We'll have a div that says I don't know, Aychdev, and then we'll have another div that will have where the wallet button will go. So I kind of want to do it this way so you can see the structuring of it. After you create your NavBar, you want to go ahead into your layout again, import your NavBar into your layout, and then you want your wallet component to wrap around the NavBar. So you'll put your NavBar here, save this, see what it looks like. Okay, cool. So here's your NavBar. I'm gonna put some styling real quick just to like separate everything so you can kind of see what's really going on. So class name, let's just do flex justify between. I'm pretty sure no one likes CSS. It doesn't look pretty, but you get the point. The NavBar is up here, your landing page is here. My CSS didn't work, I'll figure that out later. So now that your wallet component's set up, now it's time to import the actual wallet button itself. So you could go to your NavBar, and what you want to do is import wallet button, wallet multi button. So this is your button. This is what people are going to use to connect with. So instead of having the wallet button here, we'll go ahead and have the wallet multi-button component inside this div. All right. And what I want you to see here is what it does to the code. It breaks it. And the reason for that is because this wallet multi-button component, there's certain browser features that won't render on the server side. So you need to have it render on the client side. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. So use client. And then I want to import, I'm going to comment this out for now, but we're going to import dynamic from Next Dynamic, and we're going to dynamically import the wallet. So, okay, cool. So what this is doing is importing the wallet button and making sure it doesn't render on the server side and that it renders on the client side. So this will allow you now to go ahead and do what you did before. Oops. And let's just see what happens now. There you go. So now when you refresh, the code doesn't break. Your wallet's right here. You could click Phantom and connect, or you could change your wallet and put backpack connects. And that's literally it. There's nothing more to it. What I will show you is how to change this right here, which is the way your wallet address is displayed. And if there's no button, it'll show you select button. You could actually change all that. So basically, you want to create a wallet variable and set it equal to what we'll import here, which is use wallet. This is how you really interact with whatever wallet that connects with your app. And then let's just say, I don't know why I make so many spaces, but you get the point. Let's say if a wallet connects, so wallet.public key, if there is a connection to your app, this pretty much gets the wallet address, FYI. But if the wallet connects, then we want it to say, we'll say wallet.public key dot. So pretty much from here, this is your wallet address, and then putting in 2 base 58 is what will make it into a string. And then I just want to display the values from index 0 to index 7. If there is no wallet connected, then I want the button to say connect wallet or connect button. You can literally say whatever you want. Let's just see what that looks like. Okay, let me just refresh. Cool. So now it says connect button because obviously no wallet's connected. So when you connect it to your backpack wallet, now it shows index 0 to index 7 and the 3 little dots. But that's how you could change the button. As for styling, it took me a while to figure out as well because my CSS wasn't working. I mean, my CSS wasn't working. Like Tailwind wasn't cooperating. So in my repo on global CSS, I put in these 2 classes which I found, and this pretty much will edit your button to whatever color or whatever, like literally whatever you want to do. So I'll just show you real quick what that looks like. In this case, I put that in, and the styling to our button should change. Yep. So now when you hover over it, it does that. It turns pink. Disconnect. Cool. Connect button. Just a side tip if you want to figure out what to style your stuff with. ChatGPT is a tool. Use it. Give me 3 different styling options for these classes. So let it finish writing out the code. There you go. So now it's giving you 3 options. And again, this is just a tip. Like, this is what I did to figure out what styling I want to do with my button. This is a gradient background with a hover effect, neon glow effect. Let's just try that out, I guess. Copy the code. And then back to global CSS. Replace all that. Save it. And then let's see what the heck it looks like. refresh. No need to refresh. But there it is. I guess it just put like a glow effect on it. You could fake see it. Let me try the other style. Glass morphism effect. Let's see what this is about. Again, copy and paste. What's important is like that you know what's going on. Like don't just copy and paste and like you have no idea what's going on. Alright, save. And then let's see what the button looks like now. So now it's like a whole different styling. But that's how you could style your button. Again, please use like this reference I have in my repo. I have the classes here to change the colors of your button. I have an example of the wallet here, and just how I implement it with the navbar in your layout page here. So if this helped out in any way, feel free to like, share, subscribe to the video. Any questions, again, just reach out. Appreciate you guys. Till next time.